Alright, welcome to the speed build for the Curiosity Rover, or the full name, the NASA Mars Science Laboratory Curiosity Rover. What a mouthful. But what a cool thing. This is just such a really cool build. And of course, giving my thoughts on it right now, but because I've already built it once. But I'm gonna build it again for you guys here right now. But of course, let me give my quick thoughts on this, and me rolling this over here. I think you already know what I like best about this, and it's being able to roll this over this terrain and stuff. It's really cool mechanism, really fun to build, and yeah, I'm excited to build this one again. So hope you're excited to see the build for it again. And with that, let's get in to the speed build for the Curiosity Rover. Sure, you know how the buttons work down there by now, so do click them as you please. Here we go. Oh, and of course, a snap to disassembly. Here we go.